What's up, fam bam, and welcome back to our channel,
Life with Jessica Alba. All right, today we're doing a review on the Express Small Atlanta's Express Small Kit, whatever it's called. I see this on a lot of celebrities, Snapchats and Instagrams to make your teeth like 2-3 shades lighter in the first use. So that's what I'm going to see if it works. I got it on sale for $19.99. It comes with 2 trays that you have to mold to your teeth. You have to get a cup of hot water. I already did this. Has to be boiling hot water. You dip it in for like 5 seconds. Put it in your mouth, like suck the air out so it molds to your teeth. If you can tell, it's already molded to mine. And then it comes with 2 syringes full of the whitening gel. I think I can just use 1 for both. That's what I'm gonna try to do, so I can at least have 2 treatments of it. And then you put them in your mouth. I haven't even opened this yet. And I think you have to, is it on already? Oh shit, hold on guys. I have claws. Yeah, pull this, hold on. Blooper. I don't know. There's a paper, see? There was like a little clear thing in the battery. And then you have to put them back. And then put this on. You might have to do it because I have long nails. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so you take the syringe and you just put product all the way around. I want a lot in the middle because that's what matters to me, the front. And all the way in there. All right. Should I just finish this whole syringe? Might as well. No. She said no. I forgot which was top, which was bottom. Oh yeah, this is the top. Craziness. So you do this. Oh, it's nasty. And then this.
and then you time for 15 minutes, and we will check back, and let's see if she's lighter or not.
I'm gonna show you a before my teeth. I'll do the video, but I'll show you a picture too. I think they're pretty white already, actually, but I'm probably like, what am I?
I would say
My teeth hurt, my mouth hurts, hurry up.
4?
Like a 4? So let's get down to like a 2, hopefully in one treatment. And I will be right back.
And she's legit drooling right now. This is the in-between time. So the 15 minutes are up and she now takes it out. But look how this is fizzing up. It is the weirdest shit in the world.
It said 15 to 20 minutes. I only did it 15 just because I think I put too much of the gel.
I told you.
And it just started fizzing up everywhere. Like on my shirt, I had 2 napkins full of spit.
Now let's check. Where's the bottle?
And I think I really did go from a 4 to a 2. If you guys can see.
She legit was a 4 before, and I think she's more a 2 now.
Can you see my teeth or no?
Yes, I see all your teeth.
So I think for the first time, I feel like my teeth feel cleaner. They look a little bit wider. I can still do 1 more treatment with the 2 syringes that came, so hopefully I'll be, bam, blinding y'all with my perfect whites. So I think it worked. My teeth are a whole shade lighter from using it, and the product has too much sauce.
Approved.
So that is the review for the Express Small Atlanta Small Kit Teeth Whitening Luxury at Home.
So make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you want to keep on seeing more videos. Make sure you click the bell so you never miss a video once it's uploaded. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. My fucking lipstick is all off.
I look like I have a baby that's just teething and I just drew on myself.
The fuck?
I don't even want to do this video anymore. I want to finish it because I look crazy. Like, who's going to take me serious right now in a video? Lord.